Why most contractors don't trust their job cost reports. Have you ever looked at a job cost report and thought, there's no way these numbers are right? You're not alone. Many contractors work hard to keep projects moving. Yet when it's time to review profitability, they don't trust the numbers they're seeing. The truth is, most contractors don't have a job cost report problem. They have a data quality problem. Your reports can only be as accurate as the information going into them. When labor hours aren't assigned correctly, materials costs are entered late, subcontractor invoices haven't been posted, or expenses are coded inconsistently, your reports begin telling the wrong story. That can make profitable jobs appear unprofitable, while problem projects seem healthier than they really are. Over time, many contractors stop relying on their reports and start making decisions based on instinct alone. While experience is incredibly valuable, combining experience with accurate financial information is what helps contractors build stronger, more profitable businesses. Reliable job costing starts with consistency. Every labor hour, material purchase, equipment charge, and subcontractor invoice should be assigned to the correct project and cost category. The sooner those costs are recorded, the sooner you can identify budget overruns, protect your margins, and make informed decisions before small problems become expensive ones. Accurate job cost reports don't just help your accounting team, they improve estimating. They strengthen project management. They support better cash flow planning. And they give business owners greater confidence when making decisions about hiring, scheduling, pricing, and growth. So here's a simple challenge for this week. Choose one active project and review it carefully. Are all labor costs up to date? Have materials and subcontractor invoices been entered? Are expenses coded consistently? Most importantly, would you feel confident making business decisions based on that report today? If the answer is no, you've identified an opportunity to improve the financial visibility of your business. Remember, you shouldn't have to guess which jobs are making money. Your reports should tell you.